Accused killer Luigi Mangione is headed back to federal court today, just days after a bizarre attempt to break him out of jail. When I say bizarre, I mean, this is something Hollywood would have cooked up. It involves a fake FBI agent. You've got a barbecue fork and a pizza cutter. I mean, again, you can't make it up. NewsNation's Marcus Espinoza is outside that federal courthouse in New York City for us. Marcus, the man accused of trying to free Mangione, is now in the same jail. He thought he'd get away with this?
Hey, Markie, apparently, according to Justice Department sources here, this was really a half-baked plan to try to free Luigi Mangione, the man accused of killing UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. And this plan here quickly stopped by folks at that detention center. But it really is another bizarre chapter to this trial here and goes to show the support, in some ways, extreme support, that Luigi Mangione has by folks. So the criminal complaint says Mark Anderson went to the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn claiming to be, at some point, an FBI agent with orders to release an inmate. Now, when asked for his official credentials, Anderson allegedly showed them his Minnesota driver's license. Then he said he had weapons in his bag. Those weapons are said to have been a pizza cutter and a barbecue fork, as you mentioned. Now, Anderson's lawyer says he suffers from mental illness and needs a court evaluation. He also has a criminal past in Minnesota involving drugs and guns. Prosecutors officially charged Anderson Thursday night. And as you mentioned, he's being held in that same detention center where Sean Diddy Combs was held before his trial, as well as Venezuela former president Nicolas Maduro. So quite the collection of folks there right now. Another person added to that detention center, Markie.
You have high-profile people. I mean, this is just a wild wrinkle to the whole case. What are we expecting when Mangione does go to court later this morning, Marcus?
Right, it really is a wild wrinkle added to this. We were going to be here anyways because later on this afternoon at 11 o'clock, there is going to be another hearing here, and that's going to determine whether or not the federal prosecutors can move forward with a capital case, if there's going to be a chance for the death penalty here. On top of that, also, that backpack that we've been covering, whether or not the contents of it, specifically the handgun, will be included in the federal trial as well. So that is what today was for to begin with. Judge Garnett going to be overseeing that there as well. Mangione has a state and federal trial for this murder case, and prosecutors want to show the jurors a 9mm handgun they say matches the murder weapon, along with a notebook they claim describes an intent to, quote, whack a health insurance executive there as well. So federal jury selection is set for September 8th, and this happens before the judge rules on the death penalty case. Now, if that is to go forward without that death penalty, without a capital case here, that is going to happen later on this year. If the judge decides that this is a capital case, then this trial is not going to begin until January of 2027. And that's going to be nearly 3 years after this entire ordeal. So perhaps some progress here today, but once again, another status hearing to see what happens next in this case.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.